It's our third edition. I can't believe it's now 3 years of ClassicsFest. And this year, we're working with so many more partners than the previous years. Our theme of food and feasting is proving incredibly popular. Tasting some wines to the methods of the ancient Romans, and then various other wines made to traditional methods of the ancient Greeks. We've had Sally Granger, who's just this wonderful experimental archaeologist, but also a cook, and has become a specialist together with her husband, Christopher Grocock, in ancient Roman cooking.
I'm a food historian and an experimental archaeologist, and my specialty is Roman food. We've been making Roman food with a lot of students from the university, and they've loved it. Of course they would.
I love ancient history, and what I specifically love about it is the practical work and theory behind it. So doing cookery here has just been amazing because you get to taste what they could have possibly tasted back then.
The Classics department at Newcastle University are helping ClassicsFest, which is a huge event. You basically just get a little bit hands-on and get stuck into some Roman cooking.
I think it's a club sandwich, but it's a 6-layered club sandwich, and it's made with chicken, cucumbers, pine seeds and a fish sauce.
I think it's always a revelation when you get to experiment with ingredients, and that was a very successful workshop.
We are ClassicsFest and Roman cookery converts.
We've had a reimagining of Euripides' Bacchae.
Instead of actually reenacting the play, we've been creating maps, we've been making our own gods, characters, we've been thinking about festivals and feasts.
So there's two sibling gods called Orlando and Frizal. They fell in love with the same mortal but had falling out. The mortal killed themselves because they couldn't handle the god's affections, and so it started a 3-century war between the gods, and tribes got involved.
We've been trying to create our own islands, our own worlds. It's been very immersive and very individual, It's good to sort of practice these skills of speaking out in public and just, being yourself.
We're having a discussion around food and hospitality and how that relates to the concept of xenia, which is guest friendship in Homeric verse, but right up to the present day, how our most recent inhabitants of Newcastle, how hospitality is in their homes, what food means to them and how they might invite people into their homes. Great play down at Alphabetti Theatre. Great Granda Apicius by Abby Walker. She responded to a rather challenging theme to write a short play of 30 minutes in response to a very ancient Roman cookbook called Apicius. And she's done a fantastic job with that.
Able to work with some amazing people, and just very grateful for the whole experience.
And it was fantastic. Funny, moving, great acting, great writing, brilliant.
It was fantastic how they brought the old history of the Roman super chef into modern day influence, and mind-blowing.
And then Trimalchio's Dinner Party, which is a section of an ancient Roman novel by Petronius called the Satyricon. Writer Kirsten Luckens has reimagined Trimalchio's Dinner Party for a modern audience, working with sixth form students across the region and Classics for All to infuse the characters and the language of Trimalchio's Dinner Party to have resonance for us today.
It was very, very entertaining, very interactive and immersive, and I really enjoyed it.
Wow, I was like Sophia, they're actors, right? Yeah, yeah. Came in and didn't see a stage, and we were like, what's going on?
We just thought it was amazing, it was really good.
Well, I'm by no means a classicist whatsoever. I am a foodie though, and I'm very into hospitality. So what I've really enjoyed over the past few days is the fact that there's been a broad programme, there's been some delicious food. Really enjoyed it. It's rekindled my interest in the classics, which is really good, so I'll be along next year.
So loads of events, 17 events in all, a fantastic programme. It's been a whirlwind of 3 days. I'm personally feeling very, very satisfied. The feedback has been phenomenal. Our audiences have really enjoyed it. Using that Epicurean theme, that food and drink theme, has lured people into the classics in a way that these people would never have dreamt of engaging with a festival called Classics for All. It's been a fantastic time. I'm so grateful to everybody who has taken the time out of their busy lives to come and take part and enjoy the festival. I hope everyone will come next year.